So I am Mrs. Karen Rico, and I am a registered guidance counselor. I'm also renewing the University of Makati.
To start off our interview po, our first question is,
In terms of maturity, of course, an adult is more mature as compared with an adolescent and a child.
Yes.
In terms of being resilient, an adult is more resilient than a child and an adolescent for that matter. When we say resilient, it is important in disasters. If we encounter disasters, we really need to bounce back because mabubuo tayo, right? We need to bounce back in order for us to live our life normally just like before. And of course, children, adolescents are more dependent as compared with the adults.
for the next question po,
In terms of disaster like man-made disaster, natural disasters, honestly, wala pa talagang like localized, I mean, University of Makati or sa NCR in particular, wala pa naman tayo masyadong na-experience dito na phase for us, and of course, the victim, we relax. After, kaya it's easier said than done, like that is sinasabi sa kasi hindi yan ganyan. They came from an environment kasi which is chaotic. The environment should be shifted into a more safe environment for them, di ba? Because previously, hindi safe environment sa kanila. Susunod na yung pag-relax. So, parang safety, di ba? Which is, after biological needs, safety, right? Tama ba ito? Unahan yung their ability to support each other. Di ba? Kung parang dito, let's be the strength of each other. We support each other because we are one into this kind of experience.
so for the next question po,
But of course, unang-una yung ilalagay natin kung ano yung needs talaga nila. And siguro tuloy-tuloy makakausap natin sila about their experiences. Of course, siguro, tingnan natin that happens to all of us, di ba? May bounce back, and yung resiliency sa mga kausap natin, di ba? And there will be better days in it. That's when sinasabi, di ba? Na parang it's not always sun all the time. Di ba? Storms, sa kanila, nag-relate to it, di ba? And this is not the end of all of this.
for the last question po,
So, obviously na, parang alayin pa natin na posible may lumabagabag sa akin kung paano ito. Nakita sila na nawawala sila rin na si Dave, may obviously, that person, that financial reality, alam mo na parang tinitignan lang natin, yung nagpapit tayo sa time na parang, ito kailangan dito ng tulong, hindi ka ito na medyan na sa puso because physical health is as important as health. So, hindi pa talaga. So, as students, mga volunteers, it's also a very good experience for you. Kasi you're really faced with, alam mo yun, ito kasi parang field. Di ba? Wala tayo sa mga effort mo sa ganyan. Kasi ito yun kaya di ba? So, it would really pay. Tapos, hindi natin tuma-anticipate kung, hindi plan natin. But we could anticipate and prepare for it, right? First aid, psychological first aid, the norm, actually, the kahit kami, matami yung parang kami dapat natutunan in terms of, kasi sabi nga natin, di ba, ang psychological first aid lang natin is tayo, yes, ito, di ba, parang, nangyari. But we should also, understand our client. Kasi yung tao na pag ayaw mo, dyan ka muna, walang pumingin sa'yo. Kasi I'm talking about mga ganyan, mga disasters, we have the chance. Kailangan kasi dagdag yung lahat hindi tayo makapagkagusto ko pa. Diba lang na kayo, tapos kami, diba?
maraming responsibilities.